Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail about the MCA syllabus for the PGCET exam. So PGCET exam syllabus will be divided into 5 partitions. First one, it is a mathematics. That mathematics, it is a major part of the PGCET. Then computer science. And then we have a analytical ability and logical reasoning and general awareness and general English. Like this, the entire syllabus, it is divided into 5 different parts here. Major parts goes to the mathematics as well as computer science. So in mathematics, we have a algebra, it will comes, coordinate geometry, as well as Boolean algebra, it will comes, trigonometry and probability and statistics. So here in algebra that you are going to learn fundamental operations in algebra, expansion, fractionization, simultaneous, linear or quadratic equations, indices, logarithms, arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progression, binomial theorem, permutations and combinations, determinants, matrices, sets and application to solution of simultaneous linear equations. So what all you learned in one particular semester, that everything it will be included in this first topic itself in mathematics. Then next comes coordinate geometry, rectangular Cartesian coordinates, equations on line, midpoint, intersections, etc. Equations of a circle, distance formulae, pair of straight lines, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Simple geometric transformations such as translation as well as rotation and scaling. So all these you are going to learn in the coordinate geometry. Then next comes Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, basic operations, evaluation of the Boolean expressions, basic postulates of Boolean algebra, and trigonometry. Next is the trigonometry, simple identities, trigonometric equations, properties of triangles, and inverse functions. And last one is the probability and statistics. Basic concept of the probability, theory, averages, dependent and independent events, frequency distribution, and measure of the dispersion, skewness, and kurtosis, correlation, and regression random variables. So here I can discuss about some of the algebraic as well as coordinate geometry and Boolean algebra and trigonometry, probability and statistics. Next comes computer awareness. The computer awareness, in this we have a computer basics, it will comes data representation, binary arithmetic and operating systems. So computer basics, organization of a computer, COA, what you learned in the computer organization, COA, the central processing unit, input output devices, computer memory, programming languages, type of softwares, general awareness about the internet, web applications, database applications, and information system. So fundamental information of the computer science as well as architecture of the computer that you need to learn here in this topic. Then next comes data representation. So data representation, binary, decimal, hexadecimal, octal, we have a different type of the number representation here. So representation of the characters, integers and fractions, binary, ASCII, hexadecimal representation. So these you are going to learn in the data representation. So binary arithmetic, that usually computer can understand only the binary values. Then how it is performing the different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and two's complement, arithmetic, floating point representation of the numbers, normalized floating point representation, so that everything it will comes under the binary arithmetic. Means here we have a arithmetic operation over the binary values. Then next comes operating systems. So this is the platform to execute your programs, that evolution of operating systems, types of the operating systems, functions of the operating systems, and modern operating system. So all these you are going to learn in the computer awareness. Then here we have a analytical ability and logical reasoning. So here it is very interesting and it will be brainstorming concept here. That is the logical reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and visual spatial reasoning. The diagrammatical means here we have an analogy, comparison of the different diagrams, values, and all. Odd number out, that just you'll be comparing, and which is the odd number you need to eliminate. Otherwise, you need to fill with the missing number here. Otherwise, we have to go for certain calculation related to the previous calculations and all. So here we have a quantitative quantity number calculation it will comes. So which it is very interesting and which it will makes your brain very sharp here. Then next comes a general awareness, that awareness about the business, the current affair it is, the finance industry, transportation, scientific inventions, governance, healthcare, and cultural dimensions, entrepreneurship, business communication, everything it will comes under the general awareness. Then comes the general English, basic English grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, synonymous, antonyms, sentence correction, word and phrases, jumbled paragraph, which is the backbone for each and every competitive exam. So basic information, that basic knowledge of the English, it is very essential here. Along with that, current affairs also it is very essential. Means whatever it is mentioned here, almost all it is helpful for every competitive exams. So this is the total syllabus what you need to prepare for the PGCET. So with the question paper solutions, we can proceed with the further videos here. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.